As you know, I've been making a lot of segmented pieces lately for the urns that I'm working on. And the question has been asked in segmented turning, why do you stagger your glue joints in your rings, even if the piece is all one species? And the answer is pretty simple, really. The weakest glue joint in woodworking is a butt joint, end grain to end grain. And when you're doing segmented work, so that you're always cutting long grain, which is easier to cut and finish, you make your rings using butt joints. Now, if you don't stagger, let's say you don't have this fancy design in here, if you don't stagger these joints, then you've got weak joint, weak joint, weak joint, weak joint, weak joint. And so the rings will all be glued together nicely along one plane, which means it can come apart while you're turning it. So in order to make the glue joint strong, the initial glue joint is a butt joint, like this. And then when you slip it and overlap, so you split it like in laying bricks, then you've got this is a long grain joint right here. This is a strong joint. It's long grain to long grain, and that's not going to come apart. So even though we've got a weak joint here and a weak joint here, these three pieces are held together strongly with a long grain joint. Same for the pieces below them. So that's the reason that we stagger our pieces when we're doing segmented turning. And if you want to put a design in your piece by using multiple species, it lets you line those up prettier so that you've got overlap, and you come up with a better looking design. But the main reason, like I said, is strength. You've got to have that glue joint be strong. And if you're doing nothing but lining these seams up this way, now you've got weak joint, etc., etc. So that's why we stagger our rings when we're doing segmented turning. Additionally, it just looks better. If you've got everything running in a straight line, the eye is going to want to follow that line and not necessarily the shape that you're turning. And it throws everything off. It's important when people are looking at it that they're not distracted by something. But if your seams are staggered, then it doesn't have that effect necessarily, unless you've got patterns in there, and then it'll follow the patterns. But you're not going to get as successful a pattern if you run straight lines all the way through it. And it's weaker. It just doesn't look as good. So says everybody, and I agree with them. It's better to stagger your joints, mainly for strength, but for aesthetics, if nothing else. I hope you found that helpful. I haven't put up a TurnTalk video in a while, and I thought this one was relatively appropriate. So thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. I'll be back with another video as soon as I can. In fact, it will be these keepsake urns that I'm working on right now. So thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. Honest. Y'all come back and see us. And if you have any questions, ask me. If I can do a video to help or answer in any way, I'll do my best. Thanks again.